In a world where performance sedans often sacrifice comfort for speed, one car dares to have it all. The Mercedes-AMG E63 W213, a machine that doesn't just drive, it commands. Welcome to Motor Axis, and today, we're diving into the story of how Mercedes created one of the most perfect blends of luxury and V8 fury ever built. At first glance, the E63 looks calm, refined, almost too elegant to be dangerous. But beneath that sleek, executive exterior lies something completely different. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces up to 603 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque in the S variant. It's the kind of power that doesn't whisper, it roars, launching this luxury sedan from 0 to 100 in just 3.3 seconds. That's supercar territory, hiding under a business suit. Mercedes didn't just build an engine, they built a statement. Each V8 is hand-assembled by a single AMG engineer under the one-man, one-engine philosophy, their signature proudly engraved on the engine plate. It's not mass production, it's craftsmanship at its finest. Every spark, every rumble, every gearshift is a testament to that philosophy. But brute force is nothing without control. And that's where the E63's advanced 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system steps in. Unlike traditional setups, this one is fully variable. It can send 100% of the power to the rear wheels at any moment, turning a luxury sedan into a drift-hungry beast with the push of a button. AMG calls it drift mode. Enthusiasts call it pure madness. And yet, despite all that aggression, the E63 W213 never loses its composure. Open the door, and you're greeted with a cabin that defines modern Mercedes-Benz luxury. The seats, sculpted, supportive, and trimmed in the finest Napa leather. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin like a pulse, while the Burmester 3D surround sound system fills it with crystal clarity. It's a space that calms your senses, even when the car itself is ready to unleash chaos on the asphalt. Underneath, the E63 rides on AMG's adaptive air suspension. It constantly monitors the road, adjusting damping in milliseconds to balance comfort and performance. Whether you're gliding through city streets or attacking mountain roads, it always feels composed, confident, and unmistakably AMG. This is where the car earns its reputation. The perfect balance between raw power and refined luxury. The gearbox plays a key role too. A 9-speed AMG SpeedShift MCT transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts. In comfort mode, it glides almost invisibly. In sport or race mode, it snaps through gears with the precision of a race car. There's no lag, no hesitation, just pure connection between man and machine. But the E63 is more than just numbers and performance. It's a symbol of an era, because beneath that hood lies something that's slowly disappearing from our roads. The thunderous, soulful V8. As the automotive world moves toward electrification, the E63 W213 stands as one of the last of its kind. A car that represents what AMG has always stood for: emotion, sound, and the thrill of mechanical perfection. Even the design tells the story. The wide Panamericana grille, aggressive front bumper, flared wheel arches, and quad exhausts all hint at the power within. Yet it never feels overstated. It's elegance with an edge. A car that can take you to a black-tie dinner and then tear down a racetrack right after. And then there's the sound. That unmistakable V8 growl that crackles and pops with every gear change. It's addictive, emotional, and completely unforgettable. For many enthusiasts, that soundtrack alone is reason enough to call the E63 a masterpiece. On the open road, it feels alive, responsive, confident, and endlessly powerful. The steering is sharp and communicative, giving you full control over every corner. The balance is remarkable. Despite its size and comfort, it dances through curves with precision. Few cars can deliver such a dual personality, part luxury cruiser, part supercar. And maybe that's what makes the E63 W213 so special. It's not trying to be something it's not. It knows exactly what it is. The ultimate expression of performance luxury. A car that doesn't compromise. As we look ahead to the future of Mercedes-AMG, where hybrid and electric powertrains will take center stage, the E63 W213 reminds us of what made us fall in love with cars in the first place. The sound, the feel, the emotion. This isn't just a car, it's a legacy on four wheels. The perfect balance between luxury and V8 fury. You've been watching Motor Axis, where passion meets performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic journeys through the world of extraordinary machines.